I got this Patanjali traditional whole wheat Chakki Atta. So let's check it out. This is a 5 kg pack. MRP is 250 and we got it from Amazon for just 227 and it has a shelf life of 4 months. It contains 100% wheat, no maida. So as soon as you open the pack, the fresh aroma of the wheat comes out. Color of the atta is light cream because whole wheat is grounded in it and it also contains bran. The texture is slightly coarse, grainy, similar to freshly ground wheat flour from a local chakki, and knead the dough with sufficient warm water, and it takes little more water and little more time to knead, and it does not stick to your hand. Making the rotis, regular roti or paratha, is very easy with it, and the rotis turn out to be soft and fluffy, and I love the taste. Now let's look at the nutritional label. 100 gram you will get 12.53 gram of protein. That's quite good, and there is no trans fat, there is no added sugar. So I don't see any problem with the atta. Overall, with great protein content, soft roti and healthy nutrition, this is a perfect Chakki Atta. This is a value for money product. The direct buying link is given in the description box. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.